Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working guys on Lincoln MKX, and if your front power windows do not work, let's say the front left driver side doesn't work or the front right passenger window doesn't work, stay with us guys, we will explain where to find the fuses. Now you have two fuses guys, and these two fuses sometimes are different depending on what year your Lincoln MKX first generation is. So make sure you stay until the end. Now we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below guys, let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So usually guys, when you open the hood of your MKX guys, you'll find a fuse box right here, but actually the fuse is not in this fuse box guys, not there. It's a little bit hidden and we will explain now guys, okay, which one it is. So we need to open the driver door, okay, and again, if your front left window or front right doesn't work, stay with us, we'll explain guys which fuse is for that. If you need replacement fuses guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check out the whole fuse box, it's super cheap guys. Definitely a good investment for your vehicle, because fuses sometimes do go bad. If you come right here next to the emergency brake, okay, the handbrake, you have guys that cover that you need to slide this thing back, grab it, pull it out, okay. And now guys, the fuses that we're looking at guys, actually, okay, let me just get the camera in there, so sorry for the camera work now. Okay, the first fuse guys, okay, it's actually 30 amp fuse guys, and it's this fuse right here. Okay, this is for one of the windows, and for the other window guys, it's this fuse right here. That's the 30 amp fuse. And how you guys replace those? Okay, you grab them. Okay, you grab them with a fuse puller. Okay, and you pull it out if you need to. But you get the idea guys, it's very limited room, but that's what it is. Those two green fuses guys are for the power windows. Okay, the one here and here. Now depending on what year your Lincoln is guys, okay, those fuses guys could be let's say the top one is for the driver's window, the bottom one is for the passenger window. But for other vehicles, for other years like 2010, they will be reversed. So always check both of them if one of your windows doesn't work. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.